Hi, I'm Corey Vadvarka, the Director of Manufacturing Consulting at Parsec. Today we're going to talk about how to prioritize business objectives. It's easy to get drawn into all the different things that arise during the day within a factory and spread yourself way too thin. Doing this keeps you very busy, but at the same time delivers no tangible results. By using the Pareto Principle or 80-20 rule, it keeps you focused on the critical few objectives that are going to get you the best results. Once you resolve these critical few, repeat the ranking process again, communicate the results and the new objectives to your team. TrakSYS not only measures your objectives, but at the same time uses the Pareto Principle to keep your team's focus on what's important in the organization. To learn more about how TrakSYS can improve operator engagement, contact us today.